Hello, everybody. I am firmly back in Louisiana, right in the at the beginning of this hurricane that's about to hit. And so far, it's a big dud, like all the others have been. Let's hope it stays that way. A little bit of rain, but that's about it. But they're expecting it to be a class 3 or a 4 by the time it hits landfall over in Lake Charles. So if any of you guys feel the need to say a prayer for those folks over there, they still don't have power some places. It's they're getting devastated. Anyhow, I'm going to give you an assignment here in just a few minutes. I'm going to send it out through Blackboard, MS Teams. You can turn it in on either one of those, or you can email it to me. All I'm looking for is a page where you write the explanations or the answers to these questions, and let me read these to you also. But they'll all be in writing for you to refer to. First question is, what are the responsibilities of the Gaming Control Board's Enforcement Division and Investigations Division? That's two separate areas, so there should be two separate descriptions of what their responsibilities are. How is gross gaming revenue defined? That's your second question. So you can just give me a formula on that if you'd like. And here's an interesting one, because it does come up in times when you're going after a gaming license, and I've gone through this process and had this checked. Describe the standards by which the GCB and NGC evaluate the character and personal attributes of gaming license applicants. And it was funny because on my review, I let them know that I was a third generation Eagle Scout, and they said, "Oh, well, you must be pretty good, yada yada yada." But I didn't have anything in my background. You'd be surprised what they allow and do not allow, and how they some of the people and characters that were there. Okay, and the fourth question, which will take a little bit of math on your count, I'm putting out there a set of information for Dropbox on a particular table game. And this is the same that is in the back of chapter 6, I believe, Casino Drop and Count Process. And then I ask you to tell me what's the dollar value of this table drop and what is the win or the revenue produced by this particular table game, given the data that's I've listed here. So again, this question is also listed in the back of that particular chapter. And in most cases, you'll find a lot of the good casino managers and operators, they can do this stuff in their head. Okay, they're almost savant-like when it comes to that. So it's a relatively easy calculation. You guys should do just fine. If this is more than a page, I'm going to be a little worried about you guys. I'm not looking for that. Make it short, concise, 25 points per question, so it's 100 points total. And give it your best shot. I'm going to make this due next Wednesday at midnight. I believe that would be the 14th, so 7 days from today. And again, you can get it to me however is easiest for you. I believe there will be an upload space on Blackboard, MS Teams, or you can certainly email me. Now, looking back at the syllabus, and I'm catching back up on this, we're going to have an exam of lessons 1 through 7. Right now, I'm going to schedule that for next, probably 1 week from today, but I'll give you through the weekend to complete it. It will be similar to the first quiz. Matter of fact, you may even see some of the same questions. But I'm going to throw in a few other things based on what I've sent you to read and review and those types of things. So look forward to that, and reach out to me. Let me know how you're doing. It's about midterm. It's been a crazy year so far, but hopefully you guys are doing well. And if there's anything you need at all, reach out to me. And I'm here for you, and I'm usually pretty quick getting back to you. So anyhow, look for the assignment. It'll be published here in just a few minutes. And look for the exam next week. I'll give you another heads up on that one. So thanks. Bye.